The sun, a benevolent overseer, bathes the garden in its golden warmth. Among the verdant leaves and vibrant blossoms, a patch of emerald green stands out. Jalapeño plants, robust and teeming with life, proudly display their bounty. Each plant is a testament to nature's artistry, adorned with countless peppers. They dangle like emerald jewels, their smooth skins stretched taut, hinting at the fiery flavor within. The air hums with the promise of a bountiful harvest, a spicy symphony about to unfold. Don't let their size fool you. These small peppers pack a powerful punch. Jalapeños are more than just a fiery delight for your taste buds. They are tiny treasures of health and wellness. Within their vibrant green flesh lies a wealth of vitamins, including A and C, essential for boosting immunity and maintaining overall health. Jalapeños also contain capsaicin, a natural compound known for its metabolism-boosting properties. And for those seeking relief from aches and pains, capsaicin acts as a natural pain reliever. It interferes with pain signals, providing a soothing balm for sore muscles and joints. Jalapeños offer a natural way to spice up your life and enhance your well-being. Growing your own jalapeños is a rewarding endeavor, a journey into the heart of sustainable living. It all begins with choosing the right spot. Jalapeños thrive in warmth and sunshine, so select a location in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The soil, the foundation of your jalapeño haven, should be rich in nutrients and well-draining. Amend your garden soil with compost, a gardener's black gold, to provide essential nutrients and improve drainage. Space your jalapeño plants about 18 inches apart, allowing ample room for their roots to spread and flourish. This spacing also ensures proper air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. Watering your jalapeño plants consistently is key to their growth and productivity. Water deeply and evenly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. A layer of mulch around the base of the plants helps retain moisture, reduces weed growth, and regulates soil temperature. As your jalapeño plants grow, provide them with support by using stakes or cages. This prevents the branches from bending and breaking under the weight of the peppers. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment and maintaining the health of your jalapeño patch. Section 5. From garden to kitchen, a seamless transition. The moment has arrived. Your jalapeño plants are laden with plump, vibrant peppers, ready to be transformed into a culinary delight. Harvesting your jalapeños is a simple pleasure. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to snip the peppers from the plant, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. This helps preserve their freshness and prevents damage during storage. Once harvested, your jalapeños can be used fresh, pickled, or transformed into a symphony of spicy dishes. But today, we embark on a journey to create crispy, addictive baked jalapeño chips. Section 6. Crafting crispy jalapeño chips, a step-by-step guide. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 120 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Wash and dry your freshly harvested jalapeños. Slice them into thin, even rounds, about 1/4 inch thick. In a bowl, toss the jalapeño slices with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Arrange the slices in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 1 to 2 hours or until the chips are crispy and golden brown. Keep a close eye on them during baking to prevent burning. Once baked, remove the chips from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Section 7. Sustainability on your plate. The joys of homegrown food. With each crispy bite of your homemade jalapeño chips, you savor more than just their fiery flavor. You experience the satisfaction of sustainable living, of nourishing your body with food grown with your own hands. Growing your own food reduces your carbon footprint. It eliminates the need for transportation, packaging, and the energy-intensive processes involved in commercial food production. By growing your own jalapeños, you embrace a healthier lifestyle, free from harmful pesticides and chemicals often used in conventional agriculture. You become a steward of the environment, promoting biodiversity and protecting our planet. Section 8. The wholesome crunch, health, and flavor combined. These baked jalapeño chips are not just a healthier alternative to store-bought snacks. They are a testament to the fact that healthy eating can be delicious and satisfying. The natural sweetness of the jalapeños shines through, enhanced by the subtle saltiness and a hint of olive oil. Each chip provides a satisfying crunch, a burst of flavor that tantalizes your taste buds. Serve these addictive chips as a snack, an appetizer, or a crunchy topping for salads and soups. They are a versatile and delicious way to add a kick to any meal. Section 9. Embrace the jalapeno journey. As you savor the last crispy chip, let the satisfaction linger. You have embarked on a journey of sustainable living, of connecting with nature, and of nourishing your body with the fruits of your labor. Growing your own jalapeños and crafting these delectable chips is an experience that transcends the culinary realm. It is a testament to the power of simple living, of finding joy in the everyday, and of creating a more sustainable and flavorful future. So why not embark on this journey yourself? Plant a jalapeño seed, nurture it with care, and watch as it flourishes into a source of fiery delight and sustainable satisfaction.